It's a new day in remote northwest Delhi, far from the capital's shining facade. The streets are narrow and littered. The trees, frail and dusty in the summer heat, lack the rich shade of Lutyens' Delhi. This is home to young Manju Rani. She knows her future will take her beyond the grime and dust around her. She is determined and resolute. She is ready to step out.
लंच पैक कर दो जल्दी.
Manju is an information officer at Aradhya, a voluntary organization that supports community development programs. Aradhya works in the slums and resettlement colonies of northwest Delhi, offering legal help, skill training and computer learning. In 2005, One World South Asia teamed up with Aradhya to set up a community media training program. This program teaches young girls and women to work on radio and print media using Aradhya's strong base of self-help groups and gender resource centers.
सर आज मीटिंग है फेलोज के आए हुए हैं.
अच्छा मीटिंग रखी हुई ना.
सर हाँ.
तो
Manju's day begins with a short brief from her seniors on the work she has to do.
वन वर्ल्ड साउथ एशिया की तरफ से अभी सामुदायिक रेडियो कार्यक्रम पे बीच बीच में ट्रेनिंग्स ऑर्गेनाइज की गई हैं. कंप्यूटर की ट्रेनिंग दी गई है. तो बच्चे यहाँ पर आकर के वो प्रैक्टिस करते हैं कि ताकि एक तो उन्हें कंप्यूटर की नॉलेज उनको मिल रही है, साथ ही साथ जो तरह तरह की स्टोरीज़ कहानियाँ समुदाय से इकट्ठी होकर के आती हैं वो उन्हें पढ़ते हैं, उसे टाइप करते हैं. तो उन कहानियों को पढ़ कर के भी उनका मानसिक विकास हो रहा है.
Manju began her work at Aradhya as an Ek Duniya fellow by working on the One World radio show Ek Duniya Ek Awaaz. A student of journalism working on the program helped her polish her story writing and editing skills.
आज मुझे सूचना के अधिकार के बारे में पता है. लोग मेरे पास सूचना लेने भी आते हैं और मुझे अपने अधिकार और दूसरों के क्या अधिकार हैं उनके बारे में भी पता है अच्छी तरह से. और मैं अपने आप को बहुत ही आत्मस्वावलंबी और मजबूत अंदर से मानती हूँ कि हाँ मैं बहुत सशक्त हूँ. मेरे अंदर बहुत काबिलियत आ चुकी है.
एक दुनिया एक आवाज.
At the weekly community radio listener club, Manju encourages members to speak out and participate.
इशू हैं जो हम उस पे बना सकते हैं. बताओ. Women's education. हाँ. और
Last week, her program focused on the topic of child care.
कभी भी डायरिया होने की आशंका हो या अभी जो हमने लक्षण बताए हैं उनमें से एक या अधिक लक्षण दिखाई दे तो सबसे पहला काम जो होता है वो ये कि बच्चे को कुछ ना कुछ दिया जाए.
Manju was happy with the response. Local issues are also discussed for Aradhya's monthly newsletter Ek Duniya Gyan Patrika. Not only Manju and other Ek Duniya fellows contribute their ideas, but the girls at the center are also welcome to have a say. Her pride in her work encourages not merely the young, often her fans are older women whom she counsels to send their daughters to Aradhya.
मंजू को देखकर भी मुझे एक प्रेरणा मिलती है. मैं भी अपने बच्चे को ऐसा बनाना चाहूँगी.
मेरे को मंजू दीदी से बहुत अच्छी प्रेरणा मिलती है. मैं मंजू दीदी की तरह ही बड़े होके एकदम कॉन्फिडेंट और उन्हीं की तरह बनना चाहूँगी.
Manju has introduced the concept of self-help groups to instill a spirit of economic empowerment among the many women trainees. She oversees the various activities of the Gender Resource Center, be they stitching and tailoring classes or teaching them the basics of opening a bank account.
क्या लिखेंगे? सखी महिला स्वयं सहायता समूह. पूरा लिखेंगे, ये नहीं कि सिर्फ सखी समूह. और क्या कर रहे हो आज बच्चों?
At the computer training classes, Manju supervises the efforts of the youngsters. They are given the confidence to think on their own and develop technical skills. On her own, Manju writes her stories on the OpenEnrich based community website Ek Duniya to share her concerns with her community and invite others to join. But not many voices from her community are forthcoming. Aradhya is slowly making efforts to bring them together and also carry voices from outside the community. Manju hopes it won't take too long. While Manju is coaching young minds in the back lanes of Delhi, a young girl is making her way up in the hills of Nepal. Januka is a social mobilizer at Subhash Memorial Rural Information Centre. One World South Asia has transformed 10 telecentres in Nepal into vibrant advocacy centres focusing on the use of new media. Januka is up at 4:30 in the morning. She cuts the grass, carries it across the fields and helps with household chores. She then walks to work every day. It takes her an hour to reach the telecentre, but first she has to go to college. A student of commerce, Januka hopes to become a nurse. Despite daily hardships, Januka looks forward to her time at the telecentre. It is a place where she can both learn and share her computer skills with others.
म अहिले बिहान 10 देखि 6 बजेसम्म यो ग्रामीण सूचना केन्द्रमा बस्छु। त्यो अवधिमा मैले बिहान 10 देखि 6 बजेको अवधिमा 5 वटा ग्रुपलाई ह्यान्डल गर्दै आएको छु, जसमा चाहिँ 30 जना मेम्बरहरू छन्।
अब यहाँबाट कम्युनिटी एक्टिभिटिजहरुमा लाग्न थाल्यो, त्यसपछि उसमा स्लाइटली चेन्जहरु आएको छ। र आजभोलि सँगसँगै के भएको छ उलाई मैले फुल एउटा एज अ होल टेलिसेन्टरकै रेस्पोन्सिबिलिटिज दिँदाखेरि पनि उसले त्यो रेस्पोन्सिबिलिटिज ह्यान्डल गर्न सक्ने क्यापेबिलिटीको चाहिँ उ भएको छ।
Januka says her family has encouraged her to reach out for more. Her father, a farmer, has made sure that his daughter gets a full education. Whether her dream of being a nurse may come true or not, one thing is for sure. This bright woman will continue to encourage others to seek better opportunities. Back in Delhi, before the day ends, Manju makes a quick trip to the One World South Asia office to record next week's show. The One World staff have helped Manju identify the problems and needs of her community members and to share their voices with others through radio. Manju's confidence in work has shaped her and made her a strong young woman ready to face life.
नमस्कार श्रोताओं, आप सभी का स्वागत है आपके अपने कार्यक्रम एक दुनिया एक आवाज में। मैं हूँ मंजू।
There are many more Manjus and Janukas working quietly in various other centers where One World South Asia is training local communities in multiple media. In Delhi, there are 2 more centers, Kalyanam and Chetnalay. Here, ICT-based training has helped in building the capacities of local people and in creating a network of information. Outside Delhi, the main centers are the Pawar Institute of Mass Communication and Management at Solan and Jagori at Dharamshala, both in Himachal Pradesh. Birla Institute of Technology and Sciences in Pilani, Rajasthan. Shri Bhuvaneshwari Mahila Ashram in Uttarakhand. And the Aravali Vikas Sangathan or Aravis in Haryana. Forum for Information Technology Nepal is partnering a major advocacy center in Nepal. One World South Asia is also coming up with 2 more centers, Noakhali in Bangladesh and Dambadenia in Sri Lanka. At a recent meeting of the Advocacy Center program of One World South Asia and its partners, the various achievements till date were accounted, be they bracing up grassroots communication, reaching out to the unvoiced, developing strong networks with other civil society organizations, or integrating ICTs into communication processes. Passive listeners have now become active broadcasters, and communities have begun to contribute and participate towards their own development. The sun is on its way home. Manju wraps up her work. It is time to follow the sun. Meanwhile, in Nepal, in another part of the continent, Januka begins her long walk back to her village. It has been another tiring day. Yet, their spirits are soaring, their dreams infectious, inspiring others to move on.